crepe stands and everything like that. But I believe, in a perfect world, right across the street, per se, they have a pour your own beer station here. Yes, baby. Challenge accepted. Challenge accepted. Pour your own beer station. Now, Carnival has this, and it's not included in any drink package. Here it is included on a drink package. Okay, so we have the beer that they make on board, or Heineken Premium. Fuck that, we'll go with the beer they make on board. 4.5% is the American Pale Ale. We should just be able to place our card there. Requesting user information. Okay, good. American Pale Ale. 16 ounce. The problem is I don't have a cup capable of taking 16 ounce. If you have all-inclusive drink package, we'll recognize it automatically. Press here to confirm. Beer clock. Okay, I think we're good. Start pouring now. Well, the problem is we're at 1.2 ounces. Let's see how much it takes to get 16 ounces of beer out of this machine. All right, guys. This is going to be a little wild. I'm at 2.9 ounces. Keep going. This is literally 16, look, 3.5 ounces. I don't know how ounces work, but I wish I could buy my gold the way this thing pours beer. We're at 4.5 ounces out of 16. I have currently filled 4 glasses. Something has gone horribly wrong here. Okay? This is a comedy of errors. 6.2 out of 16 ounces of beer. I think I'm going to be giving everybody free beer. Because it's just continually pouring beer. I don't know what's going on. It's supposed to pour 16 ounces of beer. This is at least 50 ounces of beer already. I'm really confused with what this machine is doing. No. Look, it says we're at 8.5 ounces. What has gone on with this beer machine? Okay, let's go. Come on, baby. I'm going to give everyone free beer here. It does not know how to count. This is 10.3 ounces of beer so far. 10.9 ounces of beer. We're going to see how many we get. And then we're just going to give away free beer. I don't know what the machine's doing. I don't know what's going on. It's broken in the best way possible. I have done nothing. I poured 13 ounces of beer. Come on, let's go. You've ever seen those signs on the thing that says free beer tomorrow? Guess what, baby? Free beer today. As soon as we pour this out, everyone gets free beer. I don't know what's going on. I'm not going to give it to children. But everyone, look, we're almost at 16 ounces of beer. 7, 8, 9. Shit, oh my God, it's not stopping. I don't know what's going on. I didn't actually, okay, if anybody wants free beer, I'm just pouring free beer right now. I swear to you, it's just not stopping. It said it was only going to give me 16 ounces. I'm going to stop at this one. 17 1 ounce. Okay. So somehow that is 18.3 ounces of beer for $0. Anybody want free beer? I can't drink all the beer myself.
You must drink alone.
No. I somehow just poured that much beer for 16 ounces of beer. I don't really know what just happened. I think this is like the I Love Lucy chocolate scene where she has to eat all the chocolates before they fall off the conveyor belt. It's like 10 ounces of beer. That is not 16 ounces of beer. He's like, I just kept pouring until the machine said 16 ounces. Something has gone terribly wrong with your machine. No, I'm serious. Something has gone terribly wrong with this tap right here. I put one 16-ounce glass, and it kept pouring.
Yeah?
Forever. No, it says this is 16 ounces of beer.
Okay.
Is that 16 ounces of beer?
No, this is more than 16 ounces.
I don't know what's wrong. I guess I would.
Which one you pour?
Left side.
Was it America?
Yeah. You saw that yourself, didn't you? It was literally counting up. Well, I don't know what the hell was wrong with that machine. Literally, guys, free beer. Free beer.
How much you check? If they charge you?
Oh, I have the drink package.
Ah, you have already.
If anybody wants free beer, I just poured 16 ounces of beer and it gave me so much. These are clear cups. Please, take free beer.
We've seen your videos.
I'm dead serious. I'm making a video right now. I tried to pour 16 ounces of beer. Please. It's just going to go down the toilet. Free beer. Free beer. Free beer. I'm going to have one more. You should double fist it out of this shit. Why are you single fisting? You've seen my videos. That is disrespectful, my friend. No, they're going to throw it out. Don't double fist. Don't single fist. It's literally, this is free beer.
Okay, thank you.
No, it poured too much beer, so free beer.
Okay.
I went to get 16 ounces of beer and I took, it poured out like 120 ounces. Free beer, guys. No bullshit. Cheers, my friend. Prost. I'm dead serious. Free beer, take one. They're going to take it away.
You have the video, how can you show me? Or?
Yeah. Give me a few minutes. I'll get it back to you. It just can't. So it just kept counting really slow.
Yeah.
So I poured out the first one and it said 0.6 ounces, and I was like, "The hell just happened there?" So then it kept going.
I'm gonna take a free beer because you love Bukele.
Yes. Oh my God, this is my El Salvador brother.
There we go. How you doing?
No,
guys?
okay, hold on. I need a full one. Do you chug? Do you know how to chug a beer? Let's chug a beer together, my friend. Full beer. This is for Bukele.
Bukele, let's go.
Bukele of El Salvador. And did you see what Bitcoin did today?
Oh, Bitcoin, yeah.
Did you see today?
No, tell me.
105,000 right now.
Time to sell.
No.
No, now.
Well, yes. Time to sell, put in the stable coin,
Correct.
then buy back again when it's back down to 85. Okay,
That's
we're gonna
the way you do it.
We're gonna chug this beer.
Okay, 1, 2,
he was wearing a Bitcoin shirt yesterday in the
Yes,
elevator.
sir.
You ready? 1, 2,
Cheers.
3. Here we go. Oh.
Salud. I haven't done this since yesterday.
Take one more to go. That's it.
That's half.
Those were the ends that I poured. So were you here? Did you see what happened?
No, yeah, well, you
I started pouring beer, and I poured 16 ounces, and it poured like 104 ounces, and I gave away the beer to everyone.
It's a blessing.
I know. It's a Bitcoin blessing. Thank you, my El Salvador brother. I gave away all the free beer. That is gonna have to live on its own. That clip is so wild. It's like I Love Lucy. Problem is, I've had way too much beer in the past few seconds. That is one of the most insane things that's ever happened. It just kept pouring free beer. I don't know what happened. I have no idea what happened.